Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing your money is now worthless. Overnight, your life savings vanish into thin air. This isn't some crazy movie. It could actually happen. We're talking hyperinflation, global chaos, and everyday life turning upside down. Could America's economic dominance disappear overnight? Let's set the scene. Picture the price of milk soaring to $30 a gallon and bread becoming a luxury item. Your paycheck? Worth next to nothing by evening. It's happened before. In the 1920s, Germany, people needed wheelbarrows of cash just for basic groceries. Stores had to update prices hourly. Could you imagine running to spend your money before it literally evaporates in value? But here's where it gets scary. This isn't just America's problem. The US dollar is the world's reserve currency. Almost 60% of global reserves are held in dollars. If confidence collapses, central banks around the world would panic, dumping dollars like they're radioactive. Financial markets would freeze, banks would close, and your credit cards would stop working overnight. The dominoes wouldn't stop there. Oil, the lifeblood of global trade, is priced in dollars. What happens when no one accepts them? Picture Saudi Arabia demanding euros or even gold for oil. Suddenly, gas pumps read 500 per gallon, if you can find gas at all. And this chaos? It spills into everything from food to medicine to your Amazon deliveries. Everyday Americans would suffer first. Your savings and retirement funds would vanish. Your $100,000 could suddenly buy nothing more than a used laptop. Jobs would disappear overnight because businesses wouldn't know how to pay or price anything. Imagine your grandparents who've carefully saved their entire lives, suddenly unable to buy basic groceries or medicine. Internationally, this chaos reshapes everything. US allies would panic, and rivals like China and Russia might seize this chance to reshape global power. Without the dollar's dominance, America's influence fades dramatically. It might sound dramatic, but history proves currency collapses often trigger global conflict and reshuffle international alliances. So who actually wins if the dollar dies? Strangely, people with huge debts could temporarily benefit, seeing mortgages become pennies overnight. Owners of assets like gold, silver, Bitcoin, and tangible property might survive better, holding on to some value amidst the collapse. But most people, especially the middle class, retirees, and small businesses, would face devastating losses. Countries holding vast dollar reserves would suffer catastrophic financial pain. Banks, insurance companies, pension funds, all wiped out. Here's the big question. Could this realistically happen, or is it just fear-mongering? Well, history tells us no currency reigns forever. The British pound dominated until world wars and financial mismanagement brought it down. America faces similar challenges today. Mountains of debt and endless money printing could spell disaster sooner than you think.